Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Adam Reipel. I'm responsible for testing and validation at Geyser. Together, my colleague from Quality Control and I would like to give you an insight into our work. In products development, we test our components, assemblies and systems according to internal requirements, current standards and regulations. This process begins in the early stages of development, with the design and simulation of our components regarding fatigue strength, and compare these calculations with the test. For the tests, we specify test benches, design, and, for the most part, manufacture them ourselves. In the following film, you can see the theoretical tests based on the simulation, and then a torsion test on a machine. This allows us to validate the results from the simulation and to secure further variants and optimizations of the components via the simulation. This means cost and time savings in the product's development stages for Geyser. In order to ensure the integration of our components at assembly level and to prove their robustness, we have the possibility to carry out tests on our components' test benches. These include, for example, as can be seen in the video, high-speed test benches for the electric strikes, or test benches for subjecting the door closure components to a fast service life run. We have the possibility to monitor all parameters at any time and to put the test benches into a safe condition. With a so-called smart tester, which consists of software and hardware modules, we have the possibility to realize a mechanical setup, including sequence control quickly and individually. Our electronic test department checks the hardware and software according to all specifications and safety aspects. For this purpose, we have special test stations where we can also adapt the hardware and integrate measurement technology. Here it is important to check the temperature ranges that occur in reality, and therefore we have temperature chambers where we can represent these situations. Once we have checked our components and electronics, we can now focus on the system levels. In the next video, you can see our window test field for performance tests, such as rated speeds, forces, and the lifespan tests. As in all product areas, we have to consider many variations, such as window types and sizes, which are used in buildings as roof, top-hung, or bottom-hung windows. In the field of sliding door systems, we also test the functions. As with most tests, our parameters are closing and opening times, forces, cycles, efficiencies, and of course the specific safety functions. In our OTS test field, manual overhead and automatic door closers are tested for function and lifespan. Here we have a great many options, such as the setting parameters of angle, mass inertia, and sizes. Of course, everything here is also precisely monitored, and all measurement data is stored for evaluation and documentation. To check all system limits, we have a large climate chamber. In this chamber, we ensure all functions of our products in the limit temperature ranges at cold and heat. We can do this with our OTS test benches or with real systems such as revolving doors. Our test objects and later also our series products are monitored and checked via our quality control department. My colleague will now explain how, with a few examples. Thank you for your interest. Ladies and gentlemen, also a warm welcome from my side. My name is Reuven Pesch. I work at the Product Quality Assurance Department. In addition to my colleague Adam Reipel, I will give you further insights into our work. In the Product Quality Assurance Department, we control and evaluate all relevant aspects of the manufactured components to ensure the quality of our products. The components we inspect are regularly taken out of production and delivered to the measuring room. Among other things, the measurement is carried out with the help of coordinate measuring machines known as CMMs. These are usually clamped onto the CMMs with bespoke clamping fixtures, which we designed in-house. The simultaneous measurement of multiple parts saves time and thus reduces production downtimes. All measurements taken in the precision measuring room are tactile. This means that the machines use ruby, silicon nitride and diamond probes to scan the various geometries of the components by contact and generate measuring points that are analysed and evaluated with the help of high-precision measuring software. The coordinate measuring machines are from well-known manufacturers in the industry. The larger CMMs mainly measure the aluminium housing of the door closers, while the two smaller machines are used to measure different steel components and other small parts. The most accurate of the four CMMs has a measurement uncertainty of 8/10,000ths of a millimetre, which is 100 times smaller than a human hair. Once the measurements are completed, the data is imported into a company-wide statistics program, where it is evaluated, stored, and sent to production. For faster results, handheld measuring devices such as calipers or height gauges are also used. For evaluating special measurements, various form and surface measuring devices are used, allow an exact definition of all possible surfaces and contours, which cannot be handled and realized on a CMM. We are pleased that we were able to give you an insight into this part of the Geyser world. Thank you for your interest, and goodbye.